Today we're turning simple shapes into yummy, colorful fruits. Watch closely. All right, friends, let's start our magical drawing adventure. Grab your pencil and let's draw our shapes one by one. First, draw a big circle. Next, draw a triangle. Now a curved crescent shape. Then, a long oval. Great! Now add a star. And finally, draw a cute little heart. Amazing! Let's change our circle into a juicy orange. Turn the triangle into a sweet strawberry. Make the crescent into a yummy banana. Transform the oval into a fresh watermelon slice. Turn the star into a cool starfruit. And finally, transform the heart into a soft, delicious peach. Wow! Look at all these fruits appearing from simple shapes. Time to bring everything to life with colors. While we color, let's learn some fun, fruity facts. Did you know? Oranges are one of the world's most popular fruits and can float in water because they're full of tiny air bubbles. Strawberries are the only fruit with seeds on the outside, and they have about 200 seeds. Bananas are actually berries, but strawberries are not. And bananas give us lots of energy to play. Watermelons are 92% water. That's why they're super refreshing on hot days. Starfruit gets its star shape when you slice it. It's sweet, crunchy, and looks like a shiny star in the sky. Peaches are called stone fruits because they have a big, hard pit inside. They're soft, juicy, and super sweet. And just like that, you turn simple shapes into delicious, colorful fruits. Great job, little artists! If you enjoyed drawing with me today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more magical drawings!